Second one is called speed ramp transition. Currently speed ramp is a trending transition. It's commonly used in sports videos, action sequence and music video. Now let's move over to the Premiere Pro. Here I've already added 2 footage to the timeline. Here I'm gonna speed up this part. So right click on this little FX icon, time remapping, and then click speed. Now if we drag up this line, this clip will be speed up, and if we drag it down, the video will be slower. So going back to the normal speed. Then move the time indicator. Where you want to start the speed ramp. Hold on Control key, and right click on your mouse, so this will add a keyframe. Now here I like to speed up 800%. To make this animation more smooth, here you can see this 2-handle bar, there's like a left and right arrow, click on the right hand side and drag it to the right. Inside the marker you can see these middle points. Now click here and make this curve like that, so it'll give you a smooth preview. Now go to the second clip and do the same thing. Here I would like to speed up this part, so you don't have to wait. When it's done, merge the clips to see the preview. Here you can see, it looks so smooth and fast transition. Now you can add a whoosh sound effect to make it looks more good. Let's see the final preview.